Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, look, I want to pass on something to you guys that I used as a platoon leader. It was in the 1st and 519th Parachute Infantry Regiment. I used it a little bit as a team leader and as a company commander. I used it a little bit, but not a whole lot. When I was in the 1st to 519th, that was the opposing forces at the Joint Readiness Training Center. We were rolling when we were on rotation, we were rolling from one mission to the next mission to the next mission to the next mission. So my scout platoon would go out and recon whatever we were going to hit from the Blue 4. We'd consolidate. I, as a platoon leader, would take all the information, would make a plan utilizing an operations order. But I didn't always have time or the availability to actually put together a terrain model. So what I did was I made my own whiteboard. And here's what I did. So guys, this is all it is. You can see you can easily fit it into a cargo pocket. So what I did is I just took 2 pieces of white paper, took some contact shelf paper that adhesive on one side. I think I got it at a Walmart or something. You can buy it anywhere, and put it on both sides. Now I take a water-soluble pen. You don't want permanent pens because you want to have the ability to erase it and don't have to carry a lot of alcohol with you. All right, so like if I want to, make some type of a tactical plan. Here's a hilltop. This could be a enemy fighting position. So maybe somewhere in here. Okay, and I'm going to do high diddle diddle right up the middle. And we just go right up with the axis of advance, okay, so forth and so on. So you can also use it to sketch out an objective if you're on a recon mission. I never did this, but you could actually put like an operations order format on it, write it in, just good for planning. I used it a lot, and maybe someone else out there has thought of it. Okay, more power to them, give them all the credit, but I just did it as a young lieutenant, and it helped me out considerably. Well guys, I hope this helps. If you would please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to build up some more people in it and help them out. Thank you guys, and have a good day.